Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making a 5-spice roast duck. So it's Chinese style roast duck basically, just with a little more ingredients. So let me jump straight into this one. Let me show you how easy it is to make. You're going to start by making your sauce. I'm using light soy sauce. You can also use dark if you like. I'm trying to control the amount of salt that goes into this recipe. In goes hoisin sauce. Next we're going to go in with some Worcestershire sauce. Five spice powder. Now with the 5-spice powder I used 2 teaspoons. You can use up to 3 or 4 if you like, if you wanted a stronger taste. In goes ginger. You want to use fresh ginger for this. Give this a mix, and if you wanted to you can add in a teaspoon of salt. I chose to omit the salt, seeing that I was trying to control the amount of salt that went into this recipe. Now all you have to do is, I'm doing 2 ducks and each duck was 4 pounds, so I'm going to divide this marinade into half and use it half and half on each duck. So my duck is already washed and cleaned, and I'm just going to massage that marinade onto the duck and inside of the duck. You want to massage it really well. Make sure and get it all under the skin so that it flavors the duck. When you're finished, you're going to cover and marinate it overnight or for at least 5 hours. The next day, now you can bake this in your oven or you can do it over your grill, but make sure you're doing it over indirect heat, because if you were to cook it over direct heat, it would not cook properly. You want it to take its time and cook low and slow. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour, or until it has an internal temperature of 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Now halfway through the cooking, you're going to go ahead and flip the duck over. And at this point you'll notice, just be careful, the liquid in there is going to drain out. So I have a drain pan in my grill just to catch that so it doesn't make a mess. And now these are not the ducks that we curry, these are the American ducks, so they're a softer duck and it will cook faster. If you overcook it, it's going to get very poxy and it's not going to retain that moisture, so you don't want to overcook the duck. Cover it, allow it to continue to cook, and when it's done you want to cool it down completely and then cut it up and enjoy. And that's it, a simple easy recipe for 5-spice roast duck. I hope you guys give this a try, make it, let me know what you think. It's really delicious. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.